I'm so happy to welcome you to our apartment tour move-in vlog. I've been saying in my past few videos, it got delayed, but we have finally moved in. So we have moved into an apartment. We're still in Dublin. A lot of questions about that. It's myself and Sambe, we're still very much in Dublin. But this is our first time living together. This is our first time both moving out of home into our own space, and we're having so much fun so far. It's actually been a week since we've been in. This day last week we moved in, but it's just been chaotic. I didn't vlog any of it because it was just a mess. We actually had an awards that night and the whole weekend was a bit wild. It's just been fucking crazy. And today we have Sam's dad helping us. We're bringing my bed because Sam is so big, we need a bigger bed than what we have, and that's fine, we just put it in storage. We are bringing my big mirror, we're bringing my beauty desk. We just need to move a few things, and Sam's dad was away and he is our hero handyman, so he has the van. So we're doing that today, so I'll bring you with that. I think we'll go to Ikea, hopefully today. Sambe might die. But I'd love an Ikea trip today. I've been to Ikea almost every day, but Sambe, I feel like Ikea might make him dizzy. You know, Ikea just makes you like, ugh. But I need to go to Ikea. I need storage units. Like, we have a little utility room with our washing machine. I'm gonna show you everything anyway. So I obviously can't tell you where I am. I'm in Dublin, okay? And yeah, just a lot of apartments in Dublin obviously have the same interior, because I'm getting a lot of messages like, oh, you're in this place, you're in this place. So anyway, I'm gonna show you bits and bobs. I'm gonna show you all the things I bought. I can't wait to show you those bits. And babe just got out of the shower. You don't need to come in naked, babe, it's okay. Okay, I'll show you around. Love you. Never mind, I'm already back where I belong. I'm back in my bedroom. I've already cried as well. So I just had a little cry in my car. I haven't really cried that much yet about leaving my mum. I just, like, I'm the youngest of 5. Obviously I was living with her the past 4 years on my own with her. Oh, it's just really sad. This mirror is coming home with me. We're bringing the mirror, we're taking the bed, taking the side tables. So like, you'll remember all this. See, I'm already really missing this. Oh my god, I miss this so much. I need to set up good lighting at home. Headboard obviously can't come, and there is already a headboard, and this is not gonna match the blue. Oh, I'll show you everything. I need my lamps. We're gonna bring these side tables. I'm really sorry, gals. I've been asked where these are from. My mum found them on like a German website years ago. I'm gonna bring my beauty desk. I've missed her. Oh, I think she's gonna fit. I think she's gonna fit exactly where I want her to fit, and I'll show you when we bring her home. And the Alexa drawers, obviously from Ikea, we need them. I'm bringing my cushions, they can go in the guest bed. So we're doing it all today. So this feels more of like a move-in day. I did get a lot of questions like, how am I coping with the guilt of leaving my mum? It's just been me and my mum the past 4 years in her house. So I feel so bad. This is my first time ever living away from her. We basically moved here together on our own, just the two of us, a few years ago. And now I've actually moved back to where I grew up. But it was just me and her, 2 best friends in this house. But yeah, I shared it like once or twice before. I don't really talk about it. So being back where I grew up is really fucking weird. Like, I haven't been gone away from there for that long, and I've always been back because my friends are there and I'm always there. But driving around the little streets that oh, it's really weird, because when I left there, it was obviously on bad vibes, because me and my mum we all had to move out because my dad, listen, I've kind of talked about that before, but I don't really mind talking about it, but we don't want to be a Debbie Downer. My therapist can hear about my daddy issues, you know? Anyway, sorry, I did not mean to make this a bummer. Me and Sam are so happy, we love it so much, and like, we're cooking our little meals together, and I can't wait to show you all that kind of stuff. So we're ready on Sam and Joe to do all the heavy lifting. They're my 2 little angels. Joe is my reminder that men are kind. Like, obviously Sambe, I love my Sambe, my brothers are angels, but Joe is like a dad. He's just a really nice dad. Why am I gonna cry? Why am I crying? Okay, we'll check back in. I love you. So I cried all my makeup off, and we're fine. We're okay. We're okay now. We're okay. Oh, this made me sad again. No, I'm fine. I'm fine. The mirror is here. I'm so happy. Welcome to the van, besties. Sambe is our man with the van. So today is Ikea, so this is the following day from yesterday. I've just been in tracksuits this whole time. I've been a little bit of a slob throughout, but we're going to Ikea. We need a few bits. Sambe, if we have to assemble things, how do you feel about that?
Yeah, I can do it.
You're okay with
the man of the house.
Yeah, you are the man of the house.
Friends, my dad rang me this morning. He's like, look bud, I'll be there.
Yeah, Joe's the best.
If you need it and ring me, I'll be down.
That's what I got emotional about in the vlog yesterday.
Oh, he was unbelievable yesterday. So that was my mum, like the two.
Yeah, Shivy's such an angel. You're staying in this one, babe. You're going
never been to Ikea.
Have you not? What?
That's straight true. Well, I've never lived with anyone.
Oh my god, you've never been to Ikea? I didn't know that.
You've never been to Ikea until last week.
I've moved twice. Me and Madre, we were out there on our own, you know. Got to fend for ourselves. I haven't actually shown them the place yet because I introduced the place. Then I went back to my mum's house, cried, and then here we are going to Ikea. So I still haven't shown them the actual apartment. I do love the brown, but we'll do white.
She is on one. She is on one.
You know, if it was that.
Yeah.
There has to be one like that.
We'll go find it, will you? You doing well?
We are doing good. Progress, guys. We did good.
Did good, man.
We're home. Sam's inside with football on and building. I don't know where to begin. You know what? I'm actually beginning with the utility room. How weird is that? A little utility room. We fucking love it. Like, good to be here. Love that we have a utility room.
Good space.
It's an amazing space. Then, I'm not even turning on the light. We've this room in there, which Sambe, of course, has his PlayStation set up. I'm not. Listen, girls, this is very much a moving in, okay? Like, nothing is organized, shit's everywhere. Please don't judge. Now let's move down to the guest bathroom. Oh, there's my dress from the awards the other night. So, brings us into the guest room, okay? Again, a shit show. This is my wardrobe, pretty much. And Sam has the wardrobe. I'll show you inside. Like, still boxes everywhere. I'm still living out of my boxes. Shit is everywhere. I haven't dressed the bed yet. Very cute. You know, I like it. That lamp is not supposed to be here. She's cute. I do love. And my makeup desk, we have arranged. We're all sorted. We finally moved everything in. I was doing my makeup on the floor all week. So we have my makeup station. We're going to get a mirror there. Sorry, I'm trying not to show you the outside because, you know, it's people's windows. So here's my beauty station. I think we're going to see a lot of Zara hauls in here. I think this is pretty much my YouTube space when it's not a guest bedroom. It's pretty much going to be like my YouTubing space, which I'm so excited about. I'm really happy about that. And then let's go into our bedroom. I'm not gonna lie. I think this is my least favorite room. I'm not whispering because Sam wouldn't care that I say that, but I just feel bad saying that. I'm putting it into existence. Hate the color of the wall. Hate the color of the bed. I'm just a picky little bitch. Anyway, I actually just don't really want to show you it very well. Like, anyway, so this is Sam's wardrobe. The wall, I can't. It's white. It's so boyish. It's so boyish. Okay. Anyway, Sam's wardrobe, full to the brim. He has more shit than me. I swear to God, Sam has more shit than me. And then the bed. Honestly, I'm not obsessed. My side tables have made it here. So there is loads of space, like loads of room. Love that. Appreciate that. Grateful, gratitude. And the lighting, we have fabulous lighting, which I love. Like, I'd be very particular about lighting. We appreciate good lighting, the state of my fucking face. But this is just, it's just, Anyway, no complaints here. We have our bathroom. I'll show you. So here we have our bathroom. Oh, the towels, excuse me. You know, I like to be a folding queen. I'm not representing myself too well. Listen. We're still moving in, okay? Just give me time to get everything organized. My Amazon skincare organizer, obsessed. You know, I'm just, you know, details. Get the details, okay? Got these fabulous soap dispensers in Foster. So I have one in the kitchen for the Fairy Liquid and loving it. Lighting's not too bad in here, but you saw in my mum's house, the bathroom I had the most beautiful light up mirror. So I think I have bought this kind of like ring light wand that will hopefully sit across there. I'm such a picky bitch about lighting. And then I love our hallway. We have a very spacious hallway. Like this is me walking to the front door, you know? So it's roomy, it's vibey. Gotta put a lovely entrance table here. Do you get the vibe? And then we go into Sambe. Do we understand the situation? And then we go into Sambe. Door's always open, but it was closed because of his football. Can I get copyright with football? Okay, now we're in the living space. Why is it blue? Have I gone blue? We're in the living space. Sam is building. Bit of a mess. It's a bit of a mess right now, most defo.
Proper clean this morning.
It was fabulous this morning. Shit's everywhere. Oh, and I showed you this. Did I show you this? I did. So, girlies, as Sam builds, I'll show you what he builds. I'll do a little kitchen tour when it's a bit cleaner. Maybe tomorrow morning, babe, I'll do that. I'm gonna give it a clean now anyway, and then I'll do a little... I want to do a little haul of all my jars and stuff. The girlies love the jars and stuff. Okay, love you. So Samba's heavy lifting. I'm putting the boxes together. Okay, Sam, I fucking hate the polka dots.
Oh, well, we can say that. Yeah, just put them in
Put it to the back.
Yeah.
Sorry, that was such a hater thing to say. No hate.
You just rather wouldn't.
They're not the vibe.
You'd rather have a clear.
It's not the vibe. These are gorge. I actually really like them.
Yeah, good.
They're sturdy. I'm gonna be an independent woman and do my mirror myself. I did it. Now I'll go and put it in my makeup room. Girls can do fucking anything. Girls don't need men. We really don't. We can enjoy them. We can appreciate them. We don't need them. Yay. You know what? It's a little bit big. What I might do is like put it to the corner. Anyway, it's cute. Okay, yay. Actually, the Hoover came with the apartment, but we obviously have my Dyson Hoover, so we won't be needing that. Cute, 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 cute. I'll probably get the boxes for all of them, but I just got 2 for each for now, so we'll see. Besties, I put this hangrail together all by myself and I'm very proud. And obviously, if you know, you know, the girls that get it. This is our clothing haul rail. We had to get a new one. The old one fell apart. The old one actually broke. It snapped in half because I had too much shit on it. So, yay! Okay, our island chairs have been put on hold because we need a certain tool that we don't have right now. So Sam's dad is going to save the day tomorrow and we'll have them up and I'll show you when we have them. Hi girlies, it's the following day and we're pretty much going to close with the vlog now, but I'm going to show you the kitchen. Sam did a gorgeous clean. Go on, Sambae. Sambae is so domestic, it's amazing. So let's talk about the kitchen. I'm going to sit you down here. Oh, actually before I sit down, look at our island. Okay, so Sam and Joe got our island chairs finito. Oh my god, don't they look made for, like, don't they look part of the kitchen?
Yeah, cool.
They suit so well. So I kind of want to show you the cutesy little bits I bought. Okay, so let's do a really quick kitchen haul. I really wanted an egg bowl. This is my egg bowl. Do you like my egg bowl? This is the egg bowl and this is from Ikea and it came with this, and this is the fruit bowl, mainly for limes and lemons for our drinky poos. So these all came together, and one sec. And so this came as a threesome. And you'll probably recognize these flowers from, they used to sit in the hat box. This was just perfect, I thought. I just prefer the glass. I think that's beautiful. Maybe I should put some water in there to make them look real. You put fake flowers in water, it would probably mess them up. Anyway, so I love these. I'm obsessed with them. They're from Ikea. Did you enjoy your first day at Ikea, babe? I got this adorable honey. Not that, do either of us use honey? But it was too cute. I could put jam in there. So I got this in Avoca, and I showed you the little bathroom cotton wool and cotton buds. They're from Avoca as well. Avoca is an Irish company. Love Avoca. Oh, my butter dish. This is also Avoca. How bougie. Hear how heavy that is. Little cookie jar is also Ikea. I don't know what I want to put in that. I need to take the sticker off. Actually need to put tea in. So let's refill. I've gone through all that tea. I'm a Lion's tea. We were just talking about this at Sam's house. I'm a Lion's tea bag. What are you? I want to know. And don't fight me about it. I love Lion's tea. So these adorable jars, that's instant coffee. We haven't got our coffee machine yet. We're gonna get a coffee machine, but these jars are Marks and Spencer's. Aren't they so cute? Got them for pasta as well, so I got the bigger size. I love it. Why am I so obsessed with my jars? I just fucking love my jars, okay? This is a very cute oil thing from Avoca as well. I just love all these little details. Like, I don't need that oil thing. I don't need any of this, but I just think they make a real homey. They make a kitchen. I really just wanted the wooden vibe. I just wanted to add in a lot of wood because I think wood is nice and warm. I didn't want it to be too cool because obviously it's a creamer grey. It's like it's like a creamish grey, like the cupboards and then the marble counter. So I just wanted to bring wood into it. You got the vibe. This is also Marks and Spencer. Oh, are they both Marks and Spencer's? I think they're both Marks and Spencer's, the boards. And this is Ikea as well that was in my old room. The fake flowers. I got us a NutriBullet. I'm gonna get our own kettle and, oh my god, look at this. Skirty-wordy. One of you gorgeous angels sent me this. I love it so much. Yeah, so that's kitchen. I've shown you a million times. We have our mirror here. Don't we love those lights, Sam? You said you love them. Yeah. Really like those lights. Kitchen, table. Well, this is our little table. I'm really happy with the island chairs there. This is our little table. This is also Ikea. Need to, well, I'm kind of saving them for real flowers because I obviously have a lot of faux flowers. And this is also Folkster. I love Folkster. And then we're gonna get a couch, aren't we, babe? We're gonna change the couch. Oh, got these cute little baskets as well for blankies. I think I've shown everything. It look really nice at night time. Actually, the vibes we set up. Sam loves his ambiance with the lighting. Okay, besties, I think we're gonna leave it there. So obviously you're gonna be seeing so much more from here because this is it. This is our life now. And we'll be doing lots of clothing hauls. I feel like we're gonna do a lot more vlogging now because like we literally have our own space. I always just felt so bad being in my mum's house, annoying her and recording there. Okay, I'm gonna go. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate you, adore you. I see you in my likes, subscribes, and comments. I love you so much. Thank you so much. And we'll see you next week. I think next week's gonna be Zara haul. It's been a minute. And we'll be in our new room. Okay, I love you so much. Thank you. Love you. Do you wanna say bye, Sam?
Bye.
Love you. Okay, love you so much. Bye.